Actor Zareen Khan spoke to Sandesh Aghate and shared her childhood memories of celebrating Christmas with her friends and neighbors. The actor spoke about Christmas being her favorite festival and even revealed कि एक बार स्कूल में वो खुद Santa Claus भी बनी थी. Zareen, who made her debut opposite Salman Khan, also spoke about how many projects she was supposed to work on were halted because of the pandemic and lockdown. लेकिन उन्हें उम्मीद है that with things opening up, she will also be able to be back on set soon. Take a look.
Hello everyone, wishing all of you a Merry Christmas and a very very Happy New Year and a prosperous one too.
आज हमारे साथ हैं ज़रीन खान. ज़रीन, वेलकम टू जूम. ग्रेट टू हैव यू. आज हम फेमिना फ्लॉन्ट के सैलून में हैं.
जी.
तो क्या आप बताएंगे, इट्स अ न्यू स्टोर लॉन्च, सो ज़रीन इज हियर टू लॉन्च द स्टोर. कैन यू टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट योर एसोसिएशन विद द
I think every woman associates with Femina. It is a 60-year-old brand and we've all grown up with Femina, so it feels great to be here at the launch of Femina Flaunt Studio Salon, and I'm very happy that the legacy is now being extended into a beauty retail space.
अगर ये साल की बात करें ज़रीन, तो this year has been very tough, very difficult for all of us. तो personally, how was your, like, आपने कैसा spend किया है?
Oh God.
Time. How was the lockdown for you? How difficult was it for you? Can you tell us?
It was very difficult. Like it was for everybody else. Nobody would have imagined a time like this. For people like us, who are always out for their work and everything, our things are outdoors. So now being indoors was very difficult. Then it started feeling nice because, it was like connecting with your family all over again and doing those things. But then that also went on forever, and I'm like, okay, now I'm done with all of that. I need to get back to normalcy. I need to travel. I need to work.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it's been a tough year, but I'm hoping that we've still managed to reach December, and I'm hoping 2021 should be good.
Right. And did you miss being on sets?
I missed it a lot because honestly, I was so happy when 2020 started, because I had a good lineup of projects and stuff happening. It was supposed to be my debut on the web as well, but nothing happened. And even now, shoots are so uncertain. Yes, a lot of people are shooting, but it's still uncertain. Like I had a music video that I was supposed to shoot in the very week that lockdown was announced, and फिर वो हमने I think September में shoot करने का सोच रहे थे when things opened up a little, but just 2 days before the shoot date the director got, so it's like everything goes for a toss, just made everything, I would say, again uncertain.
This year has been tough for all of us, but now the month of December is here, Christmas is here.
Yes.
तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, is it will Christmas make it better? Will Christmas make 2020 better? It's a happy time, everyone
I really hope so.
feels very cheerful. तो आप कुछ बताएंगे Christmas के बारे में?
Christmas is my favorite festival, since I was a child. The whole first of all, it comes in winter, so as it is, it's a good space. It's winters, everybody's feeling good already, and I don't know, there's something about Christmas that just makes everybody feel so joyous, and it starts from the 1st of December itself. Nobody waits till the 25th. December comes and people are already in the festive mood and are happy, and I really really hope that Christmas blesses all of us.
How have you always celebrated the festival? आपने आप कुछ special करती हैं आपके family के साथ, या how do you?
When I was growing up, I lived in a Christian neighborhood.
Okay.
So it was just beautiful. All these my neighbors used to make these beautiful cribs outside their house. Those Christmas cribs you make. My very earlier tuition teacher that time, when I was in the first or when I was in the second or third,
okay,
was a Catholic. So during Christmas, her mom used to make these, those sweets they make. So I used to sit there with auntie and, see how it's made, try to help her make it. It was, I don't know, I'm very, very, maybe because, I've always lived around Christians so much. So I connect to the festival a lot. I just feel very happy. And then in the 10th standard, thanks to my size that time, I even got the opportunity to become Santa Claus in school. So Christmas is special for me.
Do you bake cakes because it's Christmas.
No, I
so-
eat cakes. I don't make cakes. And I love plum cakes, which you get mostly during around Christmas. You know?
Right.
So, yeah, I love everything about Christmas. There's not one thing that I can choose. Like I put up a Christmas tree in my house, and you know, the whole thing around it, Santa Claus, and all those beautiful stories of Jesus being born, and you know, those cribs you see outside people's house, the lights. Everything is beautiful about Christmas.
Right. Also, looking back at the year, इस साल आप क्या wish करना चाहेंगे Christmas पे? Like for the film industry, for everyone, what is that one thing that you wish?
I would really hope negativity to kind of go away from us, because somehow this year has got a lot of negativity along with it. You know, this year has managed to corrupt people's minds a lot, and there has somehow been a lot of hatred. I just want to wipe all of that, and I just wish that people start using their minds much more than just believing what is shown to them or what is just said and fed into them.